Hello! Thank you for visiting my channel. Today, I'm showing you how to make perfect gluten-free, yeast-free vegan bread. I've spent so many hours trying to making the perfect bread. I finally found the perfect recipe, so I want to share it with you. After watching this video, please consider clicking like and subscribing. It cheers me up and I really appreciate it. Today's ingredients. About the cooked multi-grain rice, check my website or YouTube for how to make it. The URL is in the description. Or 140 grams of cooked rice is fine. First, preheat the oven to 190 degrees. Okay, first step, 140 grams of cooked multi-grain rice and 75 grams of rice milk into a blender and blend well. Next, 35 grams of psyllium husk and 150 grams of rice milk into a bowl and mix well. Put 1 teaspoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and salt into another bowl. Sift all flour into another bowl. Besan flour is chickpea flour. Shift the baking powder, baking soda, and salt into this bowl as well. Add the blended multi-grain rice, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 350 grams of rice milk into the psyllium husk bowl and mix well. Add the sifted flour into the bowl and mix well until it becomes a dough. Lay kitchen paper in a bread tin. Put the dough into the tin and flatten it. Put paprika on the top for garnish. Put the bread in the oven 190 degrees for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, reduce heat to 170 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, inside the bread the temperature is 85 degrees or more. It's done. Put the bread on rack and cool it down. Yummy, sweet and soft. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. See you next video.